Hey everybody, welcome back. I just got this pretty cool product in today, and if you're someone who likes to create content with your phone, you should check this out. This is a complete vlogging kit for content creators. You can unleash your creativity with the ShiftCam SnapGrip Creator Kit, which is basically an all-in-one content creator bundle that is designed for vloggers, influencers, and YouTube creators as well. It's pretty cool packaging. So here you have the magnetic wand, and then this is the snap grip and the snap light, which I'll get into in a minute. And then inside here is also the selfie stick and the tripod, and I'll get into each of these items in just a second. It's pretty cool packaging, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun to play with. Okay, let's get into all the goodies in the box. We'll start with the snap grip, and this one is a magnetic grip, which has a Bluetooth shutter right here. It attaches magnetically to the back of your phone. It can take photos and videos, and it's also a wireless charging bank that can charge your device as well. It connects to your phone wirelessly via Bluetooth. This is the shutter button, and it can initiate your phone to record a video as well. And then this little button right here is to charge your phone wirelessly if you notice your battery is getting low while adventuring around in the world. The snap grip also gives you more stability when recording or taking pictures versus just holding your phone. It's pretty neat. This is what they call the snap pod, and it is a tripod or a mini selfie stick, and it comes with the magnetic wand, and you just attach it right to the base here. You screw it in, and then you can attach your phone right onto the back of that to record and do whatever you need to do. Or you can use it as a selfie stick by going ahead and closing this, but it does not extend. You have to buy a different wand for that. And then we have the snap light, which is an LED ring light. It has 4 brightness levels, and it also has this built-in mirror. It's perfect for selfies, video calls, and on-the-go filming. The snap light is pretty cool. You just turn it on, and it really does give you extra lighting in your selfies or photos or any videos that you take. I love how it has different brightness levels, and it will come in really handy. You can also reverse it when you're on your phone. You can have it facing you, or you can have it facing away from you for whatever pictures you are going to take. You can enjoy fast magnetic mounting with all of the components of the kit. It is designed to magnetically attach to MagSafe-Compatible phones or any phone using a magnetic sticker. This creator kit is made for life on the move. It comes with a travel pouch as well, so you can keep your gear organized and protected wherever you go. Each accessory that comes in this kit can be used independently or in combination to suit whatever needs you have to keep your creativity flowing. Whether you're filming long YouTube videos, creating Instagram reels, or recording TikTok videos, this SnapGrip kit adapts to your needs for the ongoing filming, taking photos, or even live streaming. I think this kit will come in very handy, especially for YouTube creators. It would be a great gift for a content creator. It is a very creative way to use the MagSafe capabilities on your phone. I love how you can use the pieces all together or individually. There are also other products and bundle options on ShiftCam's website. I'll include the link to their website and also a link to purchase this kit on Amazon. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.